Welcome to BizWire. I'm Joseph Nordstrom in Beijing. Multiple sources say Chinese and Vietnamese boats have collided at least 3 times since Sunday as tensions in the South China Sea once again flare up to dangerous levels. At the center of the dispute are large quantities of natural gas trapped under sea lanes used for transporting hundreds of billions of dollars worth of international freight each year. The China National Offshore Oil Corporation, or CNOOC, moved a deep-sea drilling rig last Friday 140 nautical miles off the coast of Vietnam near the Paracel Islands, with both countries claim as their territory and a source of hostility for years. The Wall Street Journal reports that CNOOC's rig was unveiled 2 years ago with great fanfare and billed as a strategic weapon and game changer for Chinese offshore drilling. It's a substantial piece of equipment at 138 meters or 455 feet in height and can start drilling even in waters 3,000 meters or nearly 2 miles deep. Not so far away, ExxonMobil has been exploring in waters west of the Chinese rig and, according to Petro Vietnam, has already made one of Vietnam's largest discoveries of natural gas. The confrontation comes on the tails of U.S. President Barack Obama's visit to Asia, where he reaffirmed America's pledges to defend many of China's neighbors with whom it holds long-running disputes. Now, some have suggested that China may be testing U.S. commitments or simply forcefully asserting its economic interests in the resource-rich seas. Bloomberg News quoted professor at Singapore's S. Rajaratnam School of International Studies, Lee Mingjiang, as saying that China's move may have been aimed at forcing Vietnam to agree to joint development of energy resources in the region south of the Gulf of Tonkin, which the two countries have previously held discussions. Media reports say that in the past week, Beijing has since sent approximately 80 ships, including 7 military vessels, along with aircraft to support the rig. In response, Hanoi dispatched 29 ships to attempt to disrupt the rig's placement and operations. Vietnam has accused Chinese ships of using high-powered water cannons on their ships and ramming several vessels. The incidents reportedly left 6 Vietnamese injured and several of the country's ships damaged. You're watching BizWire on the Blue Ocean Network, China's first and only privately owned English-language broadcast media. Our full episode can be seen on our website, bon.tv/biz-wire. Let's turn now for a quick look at a few stories that are buzzing through the markets.